So today we're going to be talking about connective tissue, which is one of the four primary tissues in the body. We see that connective tissue typically supports us, as in it supports our structural composition in the body. It really frames bone tissues and provides like a framework, I guess, so for other tissues as well. It protects us, so it kind of provides us like a cushion. For the kidneys, for example, it is supported by adipose tissue, which is fat essentially. We have the transportation, so nutrients get transported through connective tissue. We see the gases, we see the hormones, waste products, just all transferred through the body. And of course, insulation. The connective tissue gives us a sort of insulation in our bodies. It regulates our body temperature, and it's essential in order for us to protect our soft tissues. So starting with our two types of connective tissue and in the specific organ that it lays in is number one, the bone. In the bones there is osseous tissue, which is a specialized type of connective tissue, and it is rigid and highly populated with a matrix of collagen fibers and mineral deposits, also known as calcium phosphate. So the second type of connective tissue would be elastic connective tissue, which is found in the lungs. And this is a very important organ for this tissue to be in, since the lungs are obviously known to expand and shrink, expand, shrink. And so with that movement, there needs to be a flexibility, which the elastic connective tissue provides for it. This type of tissue is specifically found in the walls of the bronchi and the alveoli. And the elastic fibers that are found in this connective tissue just allow the lungs to stretch and return to its natural state after every breath. So, in summary, the bone, known as the osseous tissue, and elastic connective tissue, they are both very important because they're very diverse and they play very specific roles, but all in all, they have the same function, which is to provide space for this structure to thrive in and also allow it to function properly, like in the example of the lungs, where it allows it to expand because it's elastic. And same thing with osseous bones, because it is made of calcium phosphate, it holds nutrients in its medullary cavity, allowing us to receive the nutrients that we need.